Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to turn fractions into decimals. So let's look at our first problem, 3 over 5. Let's look at the denominator, which is 5, and try to turn it into a 10, 100, 1,000, and so on. So we're going to do 5 times 2, because 5 times 2 equals 10. And if we multiply 2 down here, we also have to multiply 2 up here, because we don't want to change the amount of the fraction. Okay. Our fraction is now going to be 3 times 2, which is 6, and then 5 times 2, which is 10. Okay, now we have 6 divided by 10. So we'll move one place value and put the decimal dot because we only have 1 0. So 3 over 5 as a decimal would be 0.6. Okay, now let's look at our second one, 7 over 20. Again, we're going to change the denominator into a 10, 100, 1,000, and so on. So we can't change it to a 10 because 20 is already above 10. But let's change it into 100 instead. So we could do 20 times 5 because 20 times 5 equals 100. And again, if we multiply down here, we multiply up here. So 7 times 5. Okay, now we would have 7 times 5, which is 35. And then 20 times 5, which is 100. So now we have 35 divided by 100. So we move 2 place values because there's 2 zeros and put the decimal dot. So 7 over 20 as a decimal is 0.35. Now try 9 over 50 into a decimal.